welcome back to another video. My name is Nour, and today we start our new series, which is the 25K challenge. So basically what this is where I start an account with 25K and see how far I can take it within, let's just say, a month. And I started 2 weeks ago, and I was documenting every single day. And I actually have an Instagram account. It's Trade Like Nour. That's not my main account. That's my second account. So I only have three Instagram accounts. It's Nour Trades, Trade Like Nour, and StockHours, which is, my students page. But Trade Like Nour, I've been documenting for the past 2 weeks. And then my students were telling me in the chat, let's turn this into a series for YouTube. It would probably be entertaining for others. So basically, this is my first episode recording, but I've had episodes on my Instagram account. So this will technically be episode 1 on YouTube, but it's really not episode 1 because I'm at 50K on this account. Let's take a look. So weekends obviously don't count, but I believe Thursday I was at 32, Friday 35, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? So today I made $13,605 on a 50K, well, now it's 50K account, but started with 25K. So this is the 25K challenge. I'm currently at around 48, 49K, 48, almost 49K, whatever. And now how I made that money was actually off of Tesla. So market's been grinding higher. If you watched the videos previously, you saw that I believe that the market would go a lot higher from here. And let's just look at SPY together for the people that haven't really been following the market. You can see that SPY's been taking off ever since it hit that crazy low back in March, where the coronavirus was just getting very serious. And here we are, only, let's just say, 8% away from all-time highs. So that's pretty crazy and a pretty big comeback, and a pretty meaningful one as well. So let's actually look at Tesla. That's how I made my 13,000 today, and let's look at what made me do what I had to do. So today, right, we had a lot of opportunities with Tesla, but my biggest one came on the swing. So why did I swing Tesla into Monday from Friday, and what contracts did I buy and all that good stuff? I bought the 830 contracts, and on Friday it closed at 835, so they were in the money contracts. Just playing it safe because this is a 25K account. You want to take it, slow and steady, and treat it like a 25K account. Obviously, I've played with $1 million account, played with 500K account, and me doing this 25K challenge just challenges myself to see if I can use a lower amount and see where I can do what I can do with this account. So I swung Tesla into today. Let's look at the 5-day. So Tesla has been stuck in this little gap here where it just couldn't close over this 830 level. So as you can see, yes, it went above 830 a few times, and it was just that it kept getting stuck, right? So wait, let me just make sure. Yeah, 20 days, right? So every time Tesla tried to close above 830, it would end at the end of the day, it would sell off. It would start the day above and then come down at the end of the day and just stay below 830. And then finally, on Friday, it closed above 830, and it had an end-of-day rally, which showed the strength of the actual rally on Friday. So if you look at Friday, it dipped all the way down to 804, and throughout the day, it was just grinding higher, and towards the end of the day is when it started actually pushing up. This was actually during Trump's speech on Friday. And the stock ended very strong above 830 for the first time in a very long time. I think ever since earnings. There might have been once that it did after earnings. But ever since earnings, that was the first time. And, that's a pretty big deal because you look at that, it finally broke out of a channel. So when stocks get stuck in a channel where it hits resistance to support, in between you can't really do too much because it's just a little choppy. All it's going to go to one resistance to another support. It might get stuck in between like this. And I didn't play with Tesla for a while actually. And then, finally breaks out of the channel. And now we're looking maybe possibly back to all-time highs. We're only $70 away, and we're above highs of last earnings. So here after hours, we hit 903. Don't worry about after hours right now because Trump just had something to do with the whole riot thing, and he's sending troops out and all that good stuff. But that was my trade on Tesla here. And what I'm doing with this account is basically I'm trying to show that you don't need everybody. Well, a lot of people will say like, okay, you only make a lot of money because you're trading with a big account. But that isn't true, because obviously I have members of my StockHours chat that they're all trading, they're all doing their own thing, and they're all making a good enough income by themselves, trading different stocks with a smaller account. And I just wanted to start this 25K account just to show that you can do it with a 25K account. Obviously 25K is still a lot, because a lot of people are starting with 500, 1,000, 2,000. And obviously I would love to do more challenges, because I've done the $500 challenge to 5K. So it was like 500 to 5K in a month. And then this is the 25K challenge. I also did the 100K challenge, but the 25K is a lot more realistic. So that is your video for today on how episode 1 on my 25K account. And if you're looking to see more information about what I did the past 2 weeks, because I'm starting my first episode on YouTube, you could go to Trade Like Nour and check that out. And we're starting to accept members into our chat. A lot of people keep asking, and there's a lot of scammers out here acting like they're Nour Trades, trying to collect money from people. That's not me. Please don't fall for that. I would never email you or even contact you first, and I would never collect anybody's money and trade for them. So just understand that. And we're starting to accept students, so unless I talk to you specifically, since you contacted me, and my Instagram has 180K followers, then please don't fall for any of that BS. We're accepting students June 11th. Please fill out the pre-registration form in the bio down below, and I hope to see you guys there. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to hear in the second episode. Since this is my first series on YouTube, what would you guys like to hear? What other educational things you want in a video, and all that good stuff. So appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys. Peace.